What do you think about access to weekly mentorship for one-time cost? Just a one-time cost. Weekly mentorship, year after year after year. One cost, weekly mentorship. It is a group, but it's weekly mentorship. I'm Coach Tamara Reese, and I'm going to talk to you about the digital marketing product that I have that comes with a community. It's actually a digital marketing course that will teach you digital marketing on a social media platform. It actually teaches you multiple platforms, but it's going to teach you digital marketing that you can market your products, your services digitally. Digital marketing is extremely important in today's world because we need a place to market our services, our products, and our services. And there is a skill set that comes with that. It's a really a high value skill set that comes with that. And being able to be supported on a weekly basis, 52 weeks a year, or at least up to an hour, where your questions are answered, your voice is heard, and you're receiving like master level information from someone that has been in the digital space for uh, over 17 years. She's currently saying 18 years since her 18th year in a digital space. She's my mentor, and she is a person that I purchased DPU community from. And we meet once a week, every week. It's called office hours. So not only did I purchase a digital marketing course that has everything that I need to run a business online, plus so much more. And then there is the DPU community, which is an entirely separate set of videos that really relate to your business, your day-to-day business. It even comes with, we have our own chat GPT bot. We have this gold mine um, section that we go to. We have, pull it up. There's so many amazing things that are included in the DPU Community Hub. Um, I'm just going to name off some of the things that we have. So the business, the digital marketing course, it is a plug and play. And when I say plug and play, you're literally going to take the information and plug it into your system and it's ready to go. If you want to make any type of tweaks to it, if you want to add like a bio of yourself onto your information page, you can do that. Very easy, very simple to do. But then you want to set up your payment system. Of course, you want to set up your payment system. You want to set up your payment system, and you also want to set up your email system, like your campaigns, your email funnel, all of your emails. We even provide you with some templates to be able to tweak them to your voice if you want to, or you can start do them from scratch. Of course, you can use Chat GPT to get those created out for yourself. Make sure you just still go through it and make it in your own language. But other than that, that is literally how you set it up. It can be set up as fast as you go or as slow as you go. But your business can be set up. When I say it, that it is like plug and play, it is like plug and play. I think the longest part of it is testing it, testing to make sure that everything is working properly. So in the community, outside of all of the videos that you get for the actual course that you're purchasing, there is a teaches you how to set up things. It's reseller gold mine. And when I tell you it is amazing, it is amazing. It's like the moment, the key, our job description. When you invest into something, making money as a reseller, you're now ideal buyer, video marketing as a foundation, easy 4-part formula, and goes on and on and on and on and on. And then we have the DPU Momentum Mentor. So there's even a mentor just out here in the system. But we also have a chat GPT. We have our own bot where you plug in your information or what you're looking for, and it already knows the business information. So it'll pump out what you need, according to what you're asking and according to the way that you have your business positioned, although it is a part of the DPU. Community cash flow, that's going to go over strategy and purpose, generate traffic, capture traffic with authority, and so much more. Video story selling framework, passive income with AI. There's an entire section on Chat GPT. Then there's replays from our office hours. So you get all of that. And when I say it's a lot on top of the courses. But this whole section is really helping you with building your business. The office hours are about building your business, and it usually turns into like a mini masterclass because the level of information that we get every week from our office hours is amazing. And I've said this in another video, but when you leave office hours, you are pumped, you are excited, you are ready to get busy, to get into it, to dig into it, and you usually leave with weeks worth of content ideas, things to talk about, different angles are discussed. Um, how to do this or how not to do that, or how to stay competitive in your own lane, how to really uh, learn how to build a viable, respectable, sustainable business. For me, digital marketing doesn't matter what trend is happening, doesn't matter what is going on in these social media streets. If you're trying to make some money, it has to be marketed, it has to be advertised, it has to be set up properly. It has to. So to me, this was the best way to go. Adding this with an AI component or AI components is amazing. So what this is, when I purchased, I called my business Transform 180 with digital product marketing because it is transformative to become a business owner, to be on social media, to be able to help other people is transformative. So it's Transform 180, and the product is DPU, and it comes with the community. And what's more beautiful about it is that you have the rights to resell it just as it is and make a profit. You actually make 100% of the profit because it is not an affiliate program. You are not going to make a percentage of it. You're going to make 100% of it, minus the tiny overhead costs that you may have if you were to upgrade to a paid uh, subscription for where you house your course. Other than that, you can still use like the free chat GPT. You may want to add some AI options to your own business model to make things run quickly or, um, run more efficiently, but those things are not that expensive. So your overhead is very, very low. Now, currently, I'm selling this for $500. It is going up to $599. You can sell it for whatever price you want, but you can't sell it under $500. So you get all of that plus so much more. Every year, you're not having to renew the community. The $500 that you pay includes the community. It's all encompassed together. And the community just keeps on giving and giving and giving. It's like going into a mentorship meeting every week and someone's mentoring you. And what I also love about the community is that it always seems like we all need the same thing. Maybe it comes out in a different way, but when the answer is released, it's what we all needed. And everybody's like, "Oh, thank you so much. Didn't think about it that way," or "This really helps me," or "I can really go on and do what I was going to do," or "I was thinking about doing that, but now that you said this, it makes more sense to do it this way." So the community is absolutely amazing. And your job description for this is very simple. You're going to get out of this what you put into it. But one of your job descriptions is to make content. You do have the option to go faceless, or you can do a face, showing your face, or you can have a combination of both. Most people do a combination of both. You pick whatever platform you want to pick to run your business on it. It's totally up to you what platform you use. The course actually and the community actually breaks down most of the platforms that are out here that you can use that are generally free. It's for you to, make your content. So that is like your job description to make sure that your systems are working properly, to run your business, to educate yourself. You can use the course to educate yourself on digital marketing, or if you want to be someone that releases content where you're teaching, you can teach different things about social media. There's so many things you can do under the umbrella alone of digital marketing. I once asked ChatGPT for 180 things, businesses that you can run on social media, and it popped it out like it was just not a problem. And so there's so many things that you can do outside of selling the course. And so one thing I always say is if you're already selling digital products, if you're selling low ticket items, why not add a mid ticket to your library or to your store? It only makes sense to add a mid ticket because you're already making content. Why not make $5.99 every time you sell opposed to $27? So it's just a beautiful, 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 beautiful business model. It's very easy. It's like a franchise because it's already ready for you. You're just plopping it in, making some tweaks, getting your payment system set up, getting your email system set up, testing your system, make sure that it works, and then you're ready to start making your content. You can learn as you go. You can learn as you earn. um, but yeah, so I'm Coach Tamara Reese. The link is here to go over to purchase or to go over and learn more. If you have any questions, you can leave me a DM. But check out my next video. I've been talking a lot about the importance of having two streams of income, especially if you're single, having two streams of income, even if you are a family and you have two sources of income coming into the household. It is vitally important to have a third source of income because if something were to happen to someone's income, if you're actually living on both of those incomes, you're going to need that third income to come in. Living on one source of income is living risky. It's a risky life because if you lose that job, you lose that lifestyle. Or you have the potential to lose that lifestyle depending on how long it takes for you to get a job. And as you all know, the climate in today, it's taking people a lot longer to get a job. So check everything out. It's going for 500. It is soon going to be going for 599. If you go to my store, you'll see some other things that are available. Oh, and I'm forgetting one of the most important things. When you purchase the digital marketing course from me with the DPU community. You also get a one-on-one business strategy coaching session with me where I will work with you and we will tailor make a plan for your business according to your goals. That is something that you get from me for purchasing this, all for $500, all for $500. A 30-minute coaching session for a business strategy call right now on my site is $100 for 30 minutes, and that's inexpensive. So it's a great value. So go ahead on and pull the trigger, or let me know if you have any questions. I get it if you have any questions. I understand you want to make sure that it's a good alignment, because I'm going to be doing business with you. So you want to make sure it's a good alignment. I'm Coach Campbell Blessings.